Hello everyone, we all know Virat Kohli, the chase master on the cricket field, but the real game he is mastered that's happening off the field. आइए बात करते हैं विराट कोहली के 1000 प्लस करोड़ एम्पायर के बारे में. राइट, मैंने कुछ थोड़ा सा रिसर्च करके नोट्स भी बनाए, मैं इसमें भी देख के आपको बताता हूँ. राइट, everybody knows Virat Kohli, the cricketer, the aggression, the chase master, the king of consistency, but very few people understand this. Virat Kohli did not just build a cricket career, he built a 1000 plus crore business machine. And here is the craziest part, most of his wealth is not coming from cricket anymore, not from sixes, not from IPL, not even from Team India. So how did a daily boy turn fame into an empire? राइट, आइए इस पे बात करते हैं. दिस इज द साइकोलॉजी, स्ट्रैटेजी एंड बिजनेस ब्लूप्रिंट बिहाइंड किंग कोहलीज बिलियन रूपी जर्नी. पार्ट 1. विराट कोहली अंडरस्टूड वन ब्रूटल ट्रूथ. एवरी एथलीट हैज एन एक्सपायरी डेट. Form drops, injuries happen, the crowd moves on, but Virat understood this very early. Most players play for money, Virat played for ownership. He knew one thing, fame is temporary, brand is scalable, ownership creates wealth. That mindset changed everything. While others focused only on records, Virat quietly started building brand Kohli. And that became the foundation of his empire. Part 2. Brand Kohli became a money magnet. Yes, Virat earns crores from cricket. BCCI contract, IPL salary, match fees. But that's just level 1. The real money came from influence. Puma, MRF, Audi, 2M, Manyavar, more than 25 plus giant brands wanted Virat's face. Why? Because Virat did not sell products. He sold discipline, fitness, masculinity, consistency, premium lifestyle. That's why brands trusted him. Reports say he endorsement income alone touches hundreds of crores yearly. But Virat made a smarter move next. Instead of promoting brands forever, he started owning them. Part 3. Wrong and 1-8. Virat became the founder. This is where Virat entered billionaire thinking. He launched Wrong, not just fashion, a youth identity, edgy, stylish, confident. Today, Wrong has hundreds of stores and massive online presence. Right. Second thing is then came 1-8. Right. And this was genius because 1-8 was not just clothing, it became perfumes, footwear, restaurants, lifestyle products, fitness branding. Virat created an entire ecosystem around his personality, right? That's elite branding. And then came the master stroke. Instead of emotionally holding the brand forever, Virat strategically sold 1-8 into a larger sports ecosystem while securing ownership stake again. That's how smart businessmen think. Build, scale, exit, reinvest. Not emotional decisions, strategic decisions. Part 4. Virat's smart investment psychology. Now comes the real wealth game, investments. Virat and Anushka did not randomly throw money, around. They invested in business aligned with their image, fitness, health, future brands like, Digit Insurance, Rage Coffee, Blue Tribe, High Price, Sigil Fitness. Notice the pattern. Every investment strengthens brand Virat, right? That's powerful because smart entrepreneurs don't just chase trends, they invest where their credibility already exists. Virat turned trust into money again and again and again. Part 5. The real secret nobody talks about. Here is the biggest lesson from Virat Kohli's journey. Aggression alone did not make him rich. Consistency did, discipline did, long-term thinking did, right? Every workout, every brand move, every investment, every public appearance was aligned with one identity, that is King Kohli. That is why he wins. Most people want quick money. Virat built long-term positioning, and positioning prints money for decades, right? So Virat Kohli proved one thing. Talent gets attention, but ownership creates empires. From cricket grounds in Delhi to building a 1000 plus crore empire, right? King Kohli did not just play the game, he changed the game, right? So tell me in the comments which Virat move was smartest, according to you. Brand building, business ownership, or startup investing. And if you want more videos decoding the psychology and business strategies of India's biggest icons, subscribe now.